Okay, what is a floor plan? There is a floor plan is a scalar diagram that view from the above that represent the layer of a room of building or the building it show the arrangement of the wall, door, window, and the other architectures features as well as the features, furniture, and other elements within the space. Essentially, essentially, it is a blueprint that helps to visualize how a space is organized. Like what is a floor plan have what benefit that is can visualize the layer of the space from the above. Communicate the design of the builder, architecture, and the clients. Guide the structural renovation and the furniture placement. Right. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Alright. This is the sample that we're going to draw today. Okay, so that's going to draw it out. Alright. Already is our AutoCAD. Make sure you are using the AutoCAD to draw for it. And this is a picture, but I just put it like to easy for drawing. Okay, before we start, we see what unit we use for it. Okay, we use in mm. You also can use other units, but we use the for today. Okay, we start from drawing the wall first. For drawing the wall, we are using the M line. That is MLINE. Okay, you can click enter or just click. Alright. You can show the downward have the justification and the scale and the style. We see what is the justification first. Justification is mean like your line you are start from the top or bottom. Well, our drawing start from here. Here is the bottom, so we can just click it. And after that is the skeleton. The skeleton. Well, the skeleton is here. I set it as the 180. So okay. And now we start it here. Okay, and you can see here we are moving very freely. Okay, wait a second here. Alright, okay, this line is really move very free. So you can open this. So it can like move it very straight. So we can draw the wall easier. Okay, let's see. We draw the wall vertical first. There is the here is a 13500. Right. After that is going up is a 15000. Right? And then go to the left is the 13500. And go to down is the 15000. Oh yes, this floor plan I drawing is draw for the office. You guys you can draw other such as the house, restaurant, like design the floor plan based on your creativity. Okay, now we draw out the so we can see. And you can see here is the close. If you guys draw it out and didn't like close it, that means you are set the justification is wrong or you insert the wrong dimension. Okay, let's continue is we draw from here. We also the M line you can type it again or you can enter to like repeat the same tools that is M9. We start from this dimension. I call it start from here. Our M9 also must start from here. Let's see. Alright, you can see here that will like go up. That means the justification you are set it wrong. So the M9 again. So we are change the justification to the top. Okay, here. So we draw down. Now you can see it fits, right? So we continue 500. Okay, just go through and just and fix and continue enter. Repeat the same thing here. Alright, that is the here and here there is the same point. Here and here also the same point. So you guys don't worry about it. Okay, so 6500 enter. And then go to here. We are complete with the bit already. So now we are going to draw a wall for the toilet. Okay, here is we are testing also. There is also the intent also here. Alright, there is a 2100. Then go down is 350. Okay, if you guys are really you are drawing wrong, so you can use another way to test. One is using dimension, but you also can use the line. Now you can like say here to here, there is a 210, it says, and enter. And also here, yes, that's correct already. So we can repeat the MI. MI you type ML already can auto detect this. Okay, so it's a 4100, enter. Total now is 3500. Okay, this and after we draw the wall at here is the end line. And 6500, enter. Total down here is like 4000. Okay, we are finished the half already. So now we're going to draw here the wall. So we are also repeat the same tool. We start from here. Yeah, you can see it run away. So you can choose the way. The user justification change to the bottom. Your type B is also can detect as the bottom. Type T also can. We start from here. Right, so find here enter and go to a down. Okay, let me like confirm again the dimension is correct. Okay, that is correct already. So we continue the end here. Like 200 to draw the wall at here. Okay, just go to the wall and connect. Alright, we are finished all the wall. And but you can see like some wall we are like just closely didn't have connect to other wall, so we can just use the normal line. Like connect here to close it. And repeat the same tools here to here. Alright, so the tool. Okay, and here also enter from here is 4150 enter. Again, and here also enter. This full plan the wall is I just say it based on Mercury, but you guys also can change the wall position. Not to follow the one. Okay. So most of all, I think I have completed. Some of all we must follow it. So we need to use the string. But if you want to use the trim, you can see you can't. It's okay. Uh, you can't remove it because it is used in M9. So how we solve it is we cover all of it and use an exclude. And so now we can use the trim to remove it already. Okay. So if you want to remove it faster, you can just click, don't let it go, do not let it go, and just move it down. It can cut off the line, the multiple line. Yeah. So we just choose the wall that the line that we doesn't want. Here to here. Okay. Here to here. Here to here. And here also. Here also. I think most of them we have removed it, but if you see properly, you can saw like here have a multiple line and here is a single line. So if we want to make the multiple line into a single line, so we can cover it on this. Or you guys saw the overkill, you just click it and just think. So this overkill will make the multiple line to the single line. Okay, now I'm going to teach you guys like how to make the layer for this before we go into the effect. So here is our so we just right click and make a new layer. Okay, I name it as the wall. And we can here is the color of the line. So I like to just simply put the color you want. I put it. And here is a line type. If you want to like use other line, you can relook at here. I just want to use normal line, so I just choose this one. And this is the line type. That is the thickness of the line. So I just choose a thick with the thick, right? Okay, but if you see it here, it doesn't have any change, right? So we need to cover it. And here, change to the wall. Yes. If you see that that is the line, just now I choose have a thickness, but here didn't show it because didn't like open this. If you open, it will show it out. So we just close it up. Okay, now I'm going to teach about the select. Okay, about the object. So we go to insert here. Okay, so here. Some of the object the AutoCAD already provide, but some of the object you can download from the internet or you can draw by yourself. But now I show how to insert the object first. So here is the we just do the toilet part and some part I won't complete. So you guys can design it based on your creativity. So we just simply insert it here. But if you see that the toilet is too small as in the this toilet room, so we can just click it and insert the scatter. With the scatter, so we just simply insert one point. So we can like make it bigger. How much speed we need? Let's see, like I want to make it like 1.7. It will make it big. You if you want to make it big, you must insert more than one. If you like insert like 0 point something, it will become smaller. So you must be careful. So like if you can see this after scalar, I made it the position is wrong, but I want to become middle. So I make this. Okay, so I want to choose a point. So I choose a here. So you can choose put it here. After that, here one toilet, I need one and one again the toilet at here. So I just here copy. Right? So we just like see any position we want to copy, and here there is same, right? So I just copy it here. But if you want to move freely, you just close here. Like it will look nicely. Okay, so our toilet is completed. So we need to make a door for the toilet. So we just insert here. Alright, so we just put, but if you see like the door is also small, so we just also scatter. And we insert here, that is more easier for us to measure the door that we ordered. So we just like here is showing 1.7, so we also say it as 1.7, right? And we also can copy it here. Okay, now we want to insert a door, double door at here. So we also go to insert here and just simply wrap. But I want to make it move because so first we make it move like stick to the wall first. Alright, 5, 6. So I make it bigger because that is too small again. So scale. Alright, so we just make it bigger. I set it as 1.2. Okay, we have inside the door and here. But as you see that here the door is like opposite direction at here, so we must we can rotate it, so we can insert rotate. Okay, we must choose a point to rotate it, so we just click it. Okay, and you can rotate everywhere you want. So we just like here, you saw the 0, that means the angle you want, but I just want 0, that means it just wait. Sorry, wait. Just here. But also can follow this one at the point right here. So we move again. Right. So we can press it, and you can see here still have the wall, so we can go to home, use again and 3, and remove it. So here is the okay, now I'm going to teach about if you like want this door become the opposite direction, yeah, I take simply one like this door. Okay. If you want to like make this door at the opposite direction, so you can see it, use mirror. Okay, you can choose the first one here and here. Okay, it asks yes or no. It means if you yes, this side of the door will like delete. If no, it will stay at there. So I will delete just yes. So you will get a opposite direction door. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to make a object. Like if sometimes the product you needed is doesn't have in the AutoCAD, you can make a object here. So for example, I want to make a counter. So I just insert here. Line 2 and type. Okay, this is my counter. So I pass it here. Yeah, that's right. So we can just cover it and insert it ROCK block. Okay. Here already insert block. So I just name it as counter. Okay, this is the object we already covered it just now, and we just need to build. We build the object is you can use it anytime if you want to use it multiple. So you can see here our counter already saved in it. So we just click it But just now we our point is choose here, so when I pull out, it will also at the same point, just like that. Okay. Now we're going to learn about how to make the hatching. Here is the hatching. Before that, we can build another layer. And we just right click new layer, hatching. Okay. In here, a color you can just simply put. Alright, so you must between to the hatch. Okay, just click it. And here is the style of the hatching, so you can choose many styles you wanted. But I like this, so I just choose here. And here is just the color I choose, but you also can exchange to other color you want. So okay, so you can see we can insert it, but I just want to insert in the wall, so we just click here. But if you see, I have made a few style here, but this style you must maximum you only can show the style. So how we like make it can more easier to look is is insert here. You can like insert 45 to make it look. Yes, now you can saw it already. But it's too big, you also can 35. Yeah, like this. Alright. After that I'm going to teach about the dimension. The dimension in here is normal, you just can click the dimension here and point to here and to here. Right, but wait. Before that we choose again. We make one again the year. Here is the dimension. Okay, dimension I choose as the pick. Okay. And then we choose this dimension. Oh yeah, we need to exchange it. If don't, it will determine as a headshot. Dimension here to here. Correct. But if you see it just a line, we didn't show anything here because it's too small. So how we can see is we go to annotate, go to dimension, uh, here. We go to a manage dimension style and create a new dimension. So we just simply name it as AB here. Continue. Okay, here is our dimension. I want to say how much, but we see the text first. Yeah, so we make it bigger. Can see like I say F250. So okay, you see. But here didn't show it right, so we must create it. And here you might change to the ABC. Mm. So now you can show the dimension you wanted. But if you like need to other style of the dimension, like I want to make it horizontal, I don't want it to stick to the line. So we can go here again to manage it and ABC again and click modify. Okay. So we just can click the horizontal. Like you can show here there is all of the value will like become the horizontal, so we can click OK. Like it also become like this. Another way, like here you can show the line will stay here, and here didn't look very nice, so you can here it doesn't have any arrow because it's too small, so we can also make it bigger. So we go to limit and modify again. Okay, so we can go to arrow and here we set it as like 200 and like this. Okay, and close. And you can show the arrow. So we can now I'm going to teach about here to here is modify again. Okay, here the line. If you see here and here, is like make the line more different. How is different? Actually, like we talk about, we see the extent beyond the thin line, so we say it as a curve. So we just okay. So you can saw here the extent is extend the line at here. So we pass another one is the menus again, the model. We say here also the 100. No, make it more different 200. So okay. You can saw it here. We'll have a space between them. So if you like small it will like look nice a little bit. So you can like just put it here. Maybe six. Sure. But if you want to make it more faster, so you can choose another one is the quad. If you can choose here, so you can choose here. Yeah, you to make it and make it not nicely, so we just use it normal. Alright. And just now, do you guys realize why I want to make the layers? Because if you complete the drawing that then you doesn't want to show the dimension, so you can go to a home and you can go to here and if you doesn't want to see, you just click then the key. So you can proceed. If you want to open it, you can just write out again. So after is if you doesn't want the history, you can just close the wall, close then. Okay. Then, so the further you can and also you can design by your own like follow criteria. You can design restaurant, home, anything you want. Okay, I think that's all for me. Anyone have any question? Mm, anyone? No. Okay. Okay, I think that's all from me. If you have any question again, you can or you want to like know more about our company, you can go to our website. Like you can go to Google and go to Acad. See the this is our website. So you can like go to see our company definition and we have a promotion so you can and what have the news in our product so you can saw it. And after that we have the free online lesson and you can show me at here already. We also have a new lesson at the next week or what time you can follow it up. And after that is we also have a physical training. If you want to have a physical, you can contact with our company. One is in KL, one is in Penang, so you can contact this one. Alright, after that, this is our, if you like want to learn more, so you can go to YouTube. This is our company YouTube. And here is the live I do. So if you want to learn more, you can see it here. And if you want to learn more about the software, you can just see the video here. Alright, that's all from me for today. Thank you very much.